Starting application development can feel honestly a little bit overwhelming, especially if you are brand new to it. You look at the tech and think, where do I even start? But don't worry, today I'm going to break it down into 5 simple steps to help you get started. You'll have a clear path from just an idea in your head to actually launching your app. Let's go. Step 1 is to define your app idea. Are you going to be in a super drill down specialized niche, like an app specifically to solve which problem? Are you going to be something a little bit more generic, like a lifestyle app or a general productivity tool? Like, who is actually going to use it? And last question, for example, you could just choose to build an app about your own interest. The common unifying theme is that you are just documenting or solving a problem that you are into. You could just ask yourself, how is it different from what's already out there? Your app can be anything, a productivity tool, a game, a shopping app, whatever, but do some research first. See what is working for other people and find way to offer something better. Keep your ideas simple and focused at first. You can always add more fancy features later once your app starts growing. If you're stuck, just write on a few ideas and ask your friends what they think. Step 2 is planning, or what we call it, pre-production. Once you have an idea, you need to plan the structure. Start by sketching out a wireframe. That's just a fancy word for a simple drawing of your app's screens. Then make a list of essential features. If you are building a fitness app, you might need a workout tracker, a calorie counter, and a progress dashboard. If it's a shopping app, you might need product listing, a cart, or a checkout page. This is also where you choose your path. Are you building it for Android or iOS? Planning now will save you so much time and keep you organized when the real work starts. Once you have the idea, the next step is to plan your app's structure and features. Step 3 is development. This is the production phase. Now, this is usually where people panic. You might be thinking, but I don't know how to code. Here is the key point for modern development. You don't necessarily need to learn the programming language from the scratch. If you already know how to code, that is amazing. It gives you a huge advantage. But if you don't, you can actually use AI to write the code for you. You can simply explain what you want in plain English and use AI tool to generate code for you. Whether you code it yourself or use AI, start with the core functionality. If it's a chatting app, just make sure it sends and receives messages first. Don't worry about the fancy themes or animations yet. Break it down into small tasks, use free resources, and remember, technology is to help you, not scare you. Step 4 is test and improve. Think of it as a post-production. Once you have a working version or POC, you have to test it. You want to catch errors or crashes before your users do. You can use tools like Firebase, TestLab for Android, Xcode Simulator for iOS, or just real devices for hands-on testing. Ask your friends or beta tester to try it out. Pay attention to their frustrations. They might find problems you didn't notice. A smooth, bug-free experience is what makes users happy and willing to recommend your app. Finally, step 5, launch and update. Now that your app is working well, it's time to launch it. You'll upload it to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. When you do, make sure you have a catchy app name, a set of high quality screenshots, clear list of features. Here's the most important part. Don't stop improving. Keep updating the app with bug fixes and new features based on your user feedback, and don't forget to share it on social media to attract more users. The more you update, the more people will trust you. And that's it. These are the 5 steps to start your application development journey. Let's quickly recap. Define your app idea, plan your app, start coding, use AI if you need it. Test, launch, and update. If you have any questions, drop them in comments below. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss my new content. See you in the next one.